Whether you use a straight bar, an easy curl bar, or a super easy curl bar, many of the benefits in the gains department should relatively remain the same. Some will argue that one bar isolates a certain muscle better than another. However, in the end, your joint health is what counts. If using a straight bar causes discomfort in your wrists, or even worse, a potential injury is forming, then the easy curl bar may just be the bar for you. Some of the benefits that the easy bar includes is the hand placement on the easy curl bar reduces strain placed on the wrists and elbows. These bars tend to be far shorter than conventional straight bars, making them easier to lug around and to work out with in tight spaces. And most important of all, these bars are too short to curl in most squat racks, leaving the squat rack for what it was designed for, and for people who want to use it for squatting. The exercise selection for this bar far exceeds bicep curls and tricep extensions. I am AJ, and these are just some of the exercises that can be performed using an easy curl bar, or in my case, a super easy curl bar. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment below with any questions you may have, and I will see you in the next video.